Welcome back to my channel. We'll be doing 3.5 hook size, a scissor, and of course a stitch marker. I just use some acrylic yarn like this. It's up to you whichever brand you want to use. So a slip knot. There. Now you're going to do is to chain 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 46. Now, second chain from the hook, you're going to do is to make one single crochet. Add your stitch marker, and then one single crochet into the next stitch. You can see it into the third. 1, 2 into the third. You're going to do is to do half double stitch there, and then another half double stitch into the second chain, and then you're going to do is to do 28 double crochet. This is how you do your double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a yarn, pull up 2 loops, and then pull up 2 loops, 1 double crochet, and then the next 1 more double crochet. You're going to do this 28 chains until here, okay? 27 and then 28. When you reach 28, you're going to do half double crochet. Okay, this is your half double crochet. Going to do 2 half double crochet, 1 and then 2. Now you're going to do 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 until you reach here. Then single crochet. So this will be 9 and then 10. And then you have your last stitch here. You're going to do is single crochet increase. Single crochet increase is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. So insert your hook into the stitch, pull up 2 loops, and then 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. And then after that, you're going to work on here the next. Now you're going to do is to do 10 single crochet. So work on the tail and do 10 single crochet. 1. What I'm going to do is to mirror what we have done at the other side. So 2, you're going to do this all the way until you reach here, your 10 single crochet. So 9 and then 10 here. And after this, you're going to do is to do half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, and then 1 more half double crochet. And after that, you're going to do your 28 double crochet. Let me cut this. Now let's do 28 double crochet. 1, 2. We're going to do this all the way until you reach your 28 double crochet. 27, 28, and then do your half double crochet to the next stitch, and then half double crochet, and then 2 single crochet, there, and then after that you are going to a wire. Yeah. It's up to you for which length, but for me I fold it into half. 2 divided by 2, that would be 11. And now we are going to crochet with wire. We are going to do is to work on the wire and the rows. So what we're going to do is to insert here and then put the wire in between here, and then grab it like that. Okay, see, and then next you're going to work on the wire. Here again, single crochet around the wire, like that. It should be like this. And then slip stitch. Ta-da! And keep it aside.
And they are done. And once again, thank you so much for keeping me company. And I am open for any missions. All you have to do is PM me for details. And of course, I hope you learned something and hope to see you again in my next video. Much love from me.